Hi guys, so in this section we will discuss about subscript and superscript. Okay, so subscript stands for superscript, which where the text is about normal text, like th is come about 20 25, and subscript where h2 will write 2 will come down. Okay, so now you see this web page, it will be like that. Okay, so using sup and sub we can achieve this. So the tag is sup. Okay, and this is end of this, and this 2 will put in sub, and this. Okay, now you see our web page. See, th is came up above normal text and 2 came below text. So this way will achieve this thing. Thank you.